how to swap multiple faces into a photo with AI Best Face Swapper. If you want to swap multiple faces into a photo with AI, simply open your browser and type in AI Face Swapper, right? So we will just go ahead and then simply type in AI Face Swapper for free online. So when you do that, we'll find many websites that can do this, like Remaker.ai or AIFaceSwap.io or Pixar.com or whatever else it is. There are many websites, so just choose the one that has a good enough rating. And once done, we have to simply choose and upload an image. So we'll just go ahead and select that, and we'll upload the image that we want to maybe replace with a couple of faces. And once done, we will upload the swap image, which means the image we want to swap to. We will select that, and once done, we can just hit the swap button and let's see the magic. So you can see this is a screenshot, this is one of the photo, and I want to swap it, and it will just instantly generate the new face for you in this case. And you can begin going ahead and then downloading it if you want to. This way you will be able to swap multiple faces into a photo with AI. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.